today I'm going to show you how to make ice without using a refrigerator. So let me show you what you will need for this experiment. Okay, so you will need a Peltier module, an exhaust fan, a heat sink, thermal paste and a 12-volt DC battery. The main part of this experiment is the Peltier module. Those who don't know what a Peltier module is, this is a thermoelectric device that consists of P and N-type semiconductors, and when given an electric current, it cools on one side and heats on the other. So because the Peltier module causes heat on one side, you will need a heat sink and an exhaust fan to remove the heat, and if you do not remove the heat, the Peltier module will spoil very fast. Just start assembling and see how. So let us connect the exhaust fan to the heat sink. Peltier module releases heat on one side. To dissipate that heat, we have put an exhaust fan on this side. To make the heat go away, to transfer more efficiently, we'll put some thermal paste on the heat sink. The paste, I'll put the hot side of the Peltier module on the heat sink. This is the hot side of my Peltier module. We have finished assembling it. We will connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. And then now we'll connect it to the battery's positive and to the negative. Started to work and it's becoming cold. To show to you guys, I'll take a few drops of water and put it on top. With the thermostat, you can see that the temperature is decreasing slowly. Now you can see that it has reached negative temperatures. So now let us try to make a popsicle. We'll have to put some thermal paste on the cold side so the heat transfers properly. wait for some time and connect it. And let's wait some time and I'll show you how it works. You can see it has started to freeze. So I think it's ready now. So Peltier modules, they have many uses. Some of them are as a portable water cooler and also for cooling electric circuits. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and support and like the video.